5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you played Atari today?
We're playing with drones today. And Ron's better than I am. And I'm using a tether, and I'm going to tie it to this rock, along with some beer, of course. Look at him go. Yeah. And I'm going to get mine going here in a second, but I just know how to tie it to a rock, because I lost it twice in 24 hours, so I don't know, whatever. The wind is a factor, so we got some wind going on, and I'm about to do mine here in a second. I still haven't tied it to the rock. Here he goes. Let's see it go. That's a good one. That's not bad. Okay, so I learned it drags a rock, and I smushed the foot pedal thing to it, but I didn't lose it this time, which is a bonus. Here it goes. Oh no, bad takeoff. Don't hit me, you fucker.